So here's my math analysis on my Toy Story Edition word problems. So the first problem is Andy wants to buy a new Buzz Lightyear toy. He has $11.25. The toy costs $40. How much money does Andy still need in order to afford a new Buzz Lightyear toy? And then here are your options. And then right here, I put the $40, which that's what is needed to buy this Buzz Lightyear. And then right here, this is the money that Andy has. And then right here, this is the money that Andy still needs. And personally, it is a lot easier just to look right here and just count. So then you get 20, 5, 1, 2, 3. So then it's $28. And then you start counting your quarters, and that's 25, 50, 75. So then that's kind of how you get $28.75. So my next word problem is Andy goes to Pizza Planet every day after school. Each time he goes, he plays the claw and wins an alien. The claw game costs $1 for 2 tries. It usually takes Andy 7 to 8 tries to win an alien. How much money does Andy spend on the claw game? So with this problem, the easiest way to do it is to look at this chart. You don't have to multiply anything. You just look at the chart. You say, okay, so it takes Andy 7 to 8 tries to win an alien. And then you go to the chart. You look at the amount of tries. So then you see 1 to 2 tries is $1. 3 to 4 tries is $2. 5 to 6 tries is $3, and 7 to 8 is $4, and 9 to 10 tries would be $5. So each time Andy goes to Pizza Planet, he spends this right here, which is $4 to get this alien, and your answer would be D. My next problem is Sid likes to steal toys. He took 2 of Andy's toys to add them to his collection of misfit toys. He fixes each toy for 2 hours. How many minutes did it take him to fix the 2 toys? So this is Sid, and these are the toys that he stole from Andy. So you can do this problem multiple ways. If you know 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and then an example to do the problem, you can do 60 minutes plus 60 minutes, or 60 minutes times 2. But the easiest way would to be either to multiply the 60 times 2, or look at this chart right here. It has the number of hours and the number of minutes. So looking at this chart, the problem says it takes Sid 2 hours to fix the 2 toys. So you look at the chart and you say, okay, so each toy he fixes. If it only took him 1 hour, it would be 60 minutes. 2 hours is 120 minutes. 3 hours is 180 minutes. 4 hours is 240 minutes. 5 hours is 300 minutes. And 6 hours is 360. So, since we know there's 2 toys, and it each took him 2 hours to fix each toy. So then you see right here, this would be 2 hours, this is 3 hours, and this is 4 hours, meaning it took him 240 minutes to fix both of the toys. The next problem, it's Andy's birthday. Andy is looking at his gifts to see which ones he wants to open first. He decides to open the 4 birthday cards first. Card 1 has $50 in it. Card 2 has $100 in it. Card 3 has $75 in it, and card 4 has $120 in it. How much money did Andy get for his birthday? So you would set up the problem like this. This way all the numbers are going straight down. You line up the decimals, and then you want to line up the last zeros. So you know he didn't get any kind of change. So it would be 0 for the change. And then you bring out your decimal, and you look right here, and you see, okay, there's a 0, there's another 0, there's a 5, and then there's a 0. So then you would put your 5 right here, and that would be a 5. That would be a 5. And then right here, you would add the 2 and the 7. You wouldn't add the 0 because the 0 wouldn't change the problem. So you get 9, and then you want to add 5 to the 9. So you get 14, and you want to carry a 1 right here. So it would be, it's basically 1 plus 1. So you get 2, and then you're going to add the other one, and you get 3. So Andy got $345 for his birthday, and that would be D.